Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Friends, in this video I'll be discussing with you about our rank 9 UPSC examinations 2020 topper Apala Mishra. Let's begin with the biography. She is a member of the Indian Police Service IPS batch 2020. She is the UPSC 2020 topper. Apala was raised in Jharkhand, India. Her UPSC 2020 roll number is 5903870 and she is in the 9th position. She consents to work in the Indian Nation, after which she declares that she will study for the UPSC examination. Alright. Amitabh Mishra is her father's name. Her education began at DPS, which is Delhi Public School Rohini, and continued at Army College of Dental Science, where she earned a bachelor's degree. Alright, now let's talk about the Apala Mishra's optional subject. Friend, Apala claimed that by the time she was in her final year of dentistry, she was leaning towards civil service because it provides a lot of work opportunities. Anthropology was her optional subject. She intends to work in the field of health with a focus on women's health. She resolved to devote 100% of her attention to her studies. A schedule has been created. She believes that candidates must devote 6 to 7 hours to their studies. During this time, she also learned how to make timetable. Alright, now let's talk about the advice for the future aspirants by Apala. Friends, Apala offered some advice that she believes is both important and often overlooked. After completing her dental studies in Hyderabad in 2018, the UPSC topper began preparing for this difficult examination in 2018 and she was unsuccessful in her second and first attempt, and she was successful in her third attempt. Mishra attended school in Dehradun until the 10th grade, then moved to Delhi for grades 11 and 12. Alright, I hope you have got enough knowledge about Apala Mishra's background check and the studies she had to go through for clearing the UPSC examination. If you also want to clear UPSC examination, it's extremely important that you prepare well for the interviews, and Plutus IAS gives you best mock preparation, interview strategy, and helps you to get that interview cleared. Apart from this, Plutus IAS is also given 6 selections below rank 30 and many numerous selections post that. Let's discuss about that for a few minutes. Let me tell you first that what Plutus IAS coaching provide their students. 1. Online classes with highly experienced faculty, weekly quiz, test series, study material, video lectures, daily newspaper, daily current affairs, strategy planning, and finally monthly magazine for current affairs. Friends, apart from this, there are specific features of digital coaching, which is an important aspect in current scenario. Includes 1. Highly interactive teachers and sessions, meaning that you can interact with your teachers in a much better way in this coaching institute. Alright, let's move on to the second benefit of this institution when it comes to digital classes. Second, we can talk about instant doubt clearance, as in when students ask doubt, their doubt is cleared. And then they also provide you chat facility available. Classes can also be recorded and can be used for revision. Visual interaction with faculty can also be done easily, and each student can hear voice of other student and portal as well. Alright, the mail ID includes info@plutusias.com and contact number is 8448440231. So friends, this was the details regarding our UPSC examinations 2020 rank 8 topper Apala Mishra. I hope you have got full information about her, and also I hope you will definitely try Plutus IAS coaching once. For more information and update like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.